Local SEO is crucial for businesses looking to improve their online visibility and attract more local customers. By collaborating with experienced local SEO experts, businesses can achieve better rankings in local search engine results and gain a competitive edge in their market. Top local SEO companies in the USA, such as Best USA SEO, offer a range of services including content marketing, social media marketing, and web development to help businesses improve their online presence. Effective local SEO strategies include optimizing for mobile friendliness, developing service and city-specific web pages, and creating a comprehensive local SEO checklist. Utilizing platforms like Google My Business, Yelp, and Bing Places for Business can enhance local SEO efforts and improve online visibility. By focusing on local search optimization, businesses can outperform competitors and attract more qualified leads from specific geographic areas. When choosing a local SEO company, businesses should consider factors such as experience, reputation, customized solutions, and cost versus value. It is essential to select a reputable company that can provide tailored strategies to meet specific business needs and goals. Popular services offered by local SEO firms include content marketing, social media marketing, and web development, all of which are designed to improve online visibility and attract more local customers. Partnering with a local SEO agency can benefit businesses by improving online visibility, increasing search engine rankings, and driving more organic traffic to their websites. This can result in more qualified leads and ultimately more sales for the business. By leveraging proven local SEO strategies and tactics, businesses can gain a competitive edge in their market and attract more customers from specific geographic areas. Overall, investing in local SEO services is essential for businesses looking to thrive in today's competitive digital landscape. By collaborating with experienced local SEO experts and implementing effective strategies, businesses can improve their online presence, attract more local customers, and achieve better rankings in local search engine results. Partnering with a reputable local SEO company can help businesses customize solutions tailored to their specific needs and goals, ultimately leading to increased online visibility and success in their market.